bring that bill back to the Senate in an amended form, then we form a mediation committee and come up with a version of a bill that is acceptable to both houses. Mr. Speaker, this thing about the National Assembly thinking that they can do whatever they want to do, and that whatever they want to do will find space in the Senate, Mr. Speaker, we must bring this matter to an end through this bill. And this is how it goes, Mr. Speaker. My advice, Mr. Speaker, as a leader in this House, is do not even pass that communication to the relevant committee. Let it just stay where it is. Let them sit with our bill as long as they want to sit with it. Mr. Speaker, we have leverage here on many, many issues. And as I conclude, Mr. Speaker, if we don't treat the National Assembly in the same manner that they treat us, with contempt, Mr. Speaker, abnormally, because that's what they do, Mr. Speaker, we will just be a conveyor belt for them. That's what we're going to be. Mr. Speaker, I hear that there is a bill before us from the National Assembly, a constitutional amendment bill. Mr. Speaker, let the chiefs lie where they have fallen. Let that bill sleep where it is sleeping. Until such a time, Mr. Speaker, that the National Assembly will realize that the Senate does not exist for the convenience of the National Assembly. Mr. Speaker, as I conclude, this matter of the Equalization Fund, the procedure is very well enumerated in the Constitution and enabling legislations. Let the National Assembly follow due process. But as for now, Mr. Speaker, don't pass that bill to the relevant committee. Let it just stay where it is. I thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Lastly, honorable members, I will allow Senator Boni Khalwale to comment on this, and I'll give directions. Enough has been said about it. Allow Senator Boni Khalwale to comment.
Mr. Speaker, I thank you so much. But before you hear me, Mr. Speaker, allow me to read Article 110, Sabbatical 5 of the Constitution. This is bills concerning county government, which in Sabbatical 5 says that if both houses pass the bill in the same form, the Speaker of the House in each of the, Sabbatical 3, before either House considers a bill, the Speakers of the National Assembly and the Senate shall jointly resolve any question as to whether it is a bill concerning counties, and if it is, whether it is a special or an ordinary bill, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I speak as a member of the Senate Finance and Budget Committee. I have done consultations with my colleagues, Senator Roba, who is the chairman, Maureen Mtinda, who is the vice chair, Eddie Kisheru Okech, who is a member, and we are agreed that should this matter be brought to the committee, we are not going to deal with it. This is not a matter that should be resolved by the committee, because the Constitution has clearly indicated that it should be resolved by the two speakers, Mr. Speaker. Unless the Speaker of the Senate has either abdicated his responsibility, Mr. Speaker, or he is in connivance, or, Mr. Speaker, he has decided to learn the bad manners of the Speaker of the National Assembly, who has reduced himself to an agent of the United Democratic Alliance, running around the country, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I would like to be heard.
Order,
Mr. Speaker, running around the country.
Order, honorable members. Proceed, Senator Khalwale.
Yes. Can you hold for me? Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker.
What's your point of order, Senator Wafula?
Honorable Speaker, under standing order.
Order, members, allow Senator Wafula to be heard in silence. Senator Wafula, what is your point of order?
Under standing order 105.
Give Senator Wafula the microphone, clerk.
Mheshimiwa
Senator Wafula,
Speaker,
proceed to the dispatch.
that hapo ni sawa. Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Under Standing Order 105, the Senator shall be responsible for the accuracy of any facts that the Senator alleges to be true and may be requested to substantiate any such facts instantly. Honorable Speaker, I believe there is non-political hygiene from one Dr. Boni Khalwale. He must stand up and confirm that someone is an agent of UDA or someone is masquerading or being sent by UDA, and he must also come out clear and respect the office of the Speaker of the National Assembly.
Senator Boni Khalwale, proceed to substantiate the comments as made by Senator Wafula under Standing 105. Order, members. Order, honorable members. Senator Boni, proceed to substantiate as alleged.
Mr. Speaker, with utmost respect to the Senator of Bungoma, who is rising on a valid point of order, could he kindly, using the same standing orders, allow me to make my point? Then he challenges me. Mr. Speaker, I wanted to make the point that the responsibility of the Speaker should not be vacated at any time. And therefore, Mr. Speaker, can you help me? I don't want to be irritated. Hold the Senator of Nandi. Yes. But, Mr. Speaker, the point I want to drive home, and which must sink beyond the ears of the Senator of Bungoma, is that instead of observing Article 110(3), the Speaker of the National Assembly, by participating in the so-called empowerment functions where they dish out money, Mr. Speaker, he is behaving like an agent of the United Democratic Alliance. And Mr. Speaker, nowhere in the history of the Republic of Kenya
Senator Cheragei,
has a
what's your point of
Speaker
order?
ever.
Senator Cheragei, Boni, take your seat. Senator Boni.
So, Speaker, I raise under Standing Order 96 and 101. Is it in order for the Senator of Kakamega, Boni Khalwale, who is a chief whip and is also the UDA member, although he operates from outside, we no longer know him.
Order, members. Senator
we no
Sifuna.
longer know him.
Senator Sifuna, order, members.
Why is Senator Sifuna shouting?
Cheragei,
His day is in ODM and numbered. Mr. Speaker, what I'm saying is very simple.